we're gonna make Raising Cane's famous sauce, and it's really addicting. This is really all you're gonna need. Basically, like a half cup full of mayo is the first step.
Does that look about right?
Yeah, just like that. Then that goes in first. And then after that, a 1/4 cup of ketchup. Will take a little bit to squirt in there, but then you just add that. Really, you just need to mix all the following ingredients together. I mean, it's so simple. Am I right? Okay, then next, is that garlic powder?
Mm-hmm. Half of a teaspoon.
Half a teaspoon of garlic powder. And then after that, you need how much?
1/4 teaspoon.
1/4 teaspoon of the Creole seasoning. It has to be this exact stuff often if you want it to taste accurate.
Then let's see.
Like I said, 4 teaspoons of that.
Same as this.
And then also a 4 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce.
And then a half teaspoon of pepper.
Half a teaspoon of pepper.
We're gonna measure that with our heart.
Yeah, like she said, measure with your heart. Now that that's done, you just gotta mix all that together. And you gotta mix it real well. Just saying. See, it's already looking like cane sauce.
Okay.
Is it mixed up well enough?
It's mixed, so you can see it a little better.
Sure looking like it. A couple spots missed every now and then, but it does look pretty accurate. So, yeah. Well, there's the finished product. And this is optional. Just put it in the refrigerator for like 6 hours. And basically that covers it. So that'll be it.